In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Zoom host key. By the end, you'll know exactly where this code lives in your Zoom account and how to locate it quickly whenever you need it. The host key is a short numeric code that lets you claim host controls in certain situations, like when you join a meeting from a phone or when a meeting is started before you arrive. Because it grants hosting privileges, treat it like a PIN and keep it private. Start on the Zoom website, signed into your account. From the navigation on the left, click My Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, which is where all of your personal settings and meeting preferences are managed. If you're using the desktop app, open it in your browser instead, since the host key is shown on the web portal. Inside your account area, open the Profile section. This page holds your basic details and a lot of default meeting settings. It's the right place to be when you want to view identifiers and controls that apply to your whole account, not just a single meeting. On the Profile page, scroll down until you reach the Meeting section. You'll pass general information near the top, then additional options as you move down the page. Take your time here. Zoom organizes this area with headings, and the host key lives within the section labeled for meeting-related settings. Within that meeting section, look for the line labeled Host Key. You should see the code associated with your account. Depending on your security settings, it may be displayed openly or partially hidden. If it's obscured, that's normal, and it's done to prevent someone from seeing it over your shoulder. Make a note of where it appears so you can return to it later whenever you need to reference it. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Don't share your host key publicly or post it in chat. Anyone with it could claim host controls. If you're not seeing the host key where expected, double-check that you're viewing your profile on the Zoom web portal and that you're signed in to the correct account. Some organizational accounts also manage this setting for you, so availability can vary based on your permissions. That's all there is to it. Click My Account, go to Profile, scroll down to the Meeting section, and look for Host Key. With this in hand, you'll be ready to claim host controls whenever the situation calls for it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your Zoom host key with confidence.